Hello everyone. So I just want to do a quick overview of this DBPOWER air pump. It's kind of one of these simple devices that you plug into your car, and you can use it to essentially inflate any device. It's mainly intended to kind of inflate your tires, maybe a inflatable boat, a dinghy, bike tires, anything. And so this way, if you bring your bike somewhere, you can plug this in and you can inflate the tires, or if you have a tire that's low on air, you can inflate it anywhere you like. And I was looking at a few of these devices. Some were cheaper, some were more expensive, and some kind of kept trying to note that this will not fill truck tires. And at first I was kind of confused by this, as I have a Nissan Armada, which technically is a truck. But I think what most of these devices mean when they mean truck is an actual gigantic truck, like an 18-wheeler. So kind of after doing a little bit of research, this is more than fine for any regular car, truck, maybe the most heavy-duty F350, you might want to double check. But other than that, this is perfectly fine for any normal vehicle. And this thing is about 26 bucks. I've used it a couple times, and it's had no issues at all. It's very simple. I mean, there's really just two things to it. The plug for where the air comes out, the plug for power, and the on-off switch. Comes with a few different ends. So you can charge fill a bike tire. It also comes with a spare fuse, which is handy. But it's really just a very simple device, and I just wanted to point out that it works as intended. And one thing is that it does not have a digital gauge. And also, if you look carefully, the gauge, it's not that precise, but I didn't find any issue kind of pumping up my tires to the correct pressure. Mine were 36 psi, and as you can see, the readings, or the little dashes, are basically by 5, so it goes 25, 30, 35. However, I really didn't find it very difficult to kind of precise, you look at it and it's self-explanatory, and I kind of like how it's not digital. It's just simple, analog, and easy to use. I mainly got this as these days every time I go to a gas station, it seems that either the pump is broken, there's a line, or the pump does not accept money, or something's wrong with it, and I end up wasting a whole bunch of time driving around between gas stations trying to get air. And here I can get this thing for 26 bucks. Pretty much provide all the tire pumping needs, all the dinghy, bike pumping needs I need. And for 26 bucks, you really can't go wrong. Like I said, again, it's a really simple device. There's really not much to it. But if you're kind of confused by the whole truck thing, or just how powerful of a device you need, this will do for basically any vehicle, and you really can't go wrong for 26 bucks. So that's just my quick overview.